How to send audio messages on iMessage on iOS 17. And to do that is, of course, you have to make sure that you have updated your phone to iOS 17. And to do that, all you have to do is to go back here to your settings and go to general. Click on your general and go here to your software update. Click on your software update rather, and then you have to make sure that you have updated it to your iOS 17. Now, once it's updated, what you're gonna do next is to go here to your iMessage here, click on your iMessage and choose a recipient here. So for example, this person, and you want to audio messages, so you will see a mic here, but this mic is no longer like the audio message that you can send. So once you click this one, it will automatically transcribe what you're saying. So that means it's not actually an audio message. To be able to successfully send an audio message, here on the left side, you'll see the plus sign here. Tap on the plus sign, sorry for that, plus sign here, and go to audio. Click audio here, and basically to record, here you have to click on your audio and it will automatically send you the audio message on iMessage on iOS 17. And that is all for today. And basically that is how you send audio messages on iMessages on iOS 17. And basically that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.